Good day everyone. We are here to give you the insight of the 5 modulars of the different kinds of mathematics. First, let me introduce myself and my fellow members. I am Dick Cadet Duarte.
And Decadent Lukay-Lukay.
Decadent Napoles.
Decadent Lukay.
And Decadent Rua.
Let's talk about mathematics in the modern. Mathematics is more than numbers on paper. It is a vital tool in the maritime world. On board the ship, we use math to navigate seas, calculate coordinates, distance, and time zone to stay on course. In the engine room, math helps monitor fuel consumption, pressure levels, and temperature ratings. Even loading cargoes involves math, ensuring balance and stability to prevent capsizing. From the bridge to the engine room, mathematics keep us moving, safe, efficient, providing a strong compass in the maritime world.
In the maritime profession, data management is key to smooth and safe operation. From tracking vessels' performance to monitoring cargo and weather, real-time data helps crew make smart decisions faster. The benefit of data management about maritime profession: it improves safety operation, boosts efficiency, it ensures compliance with a global standard. In the maritime industry, math isn't just navigation, it drives financial decisions too. From budgeting fuel costs to calculating cargo value and forecasting profit, financial math keeps operation afloat. Understanding interest rates, exchange rates, and cost analysis helps maritime professionals manage resources wisely and plan for growth. In shipping, math and finance go hand in hand to keep business moving across the seas. So let's talk about geometric design and what its role when it comes to the maritime industry. When we say geometric design, it's not just about shapes and patterns. It also plays a vital role when it comes to the shipbuilding and navigation. In shipbuilding, geometrical principles are used to calculate the ship's balance and stability, ensuring an efficient travel through all different sea conditions. Navigation charts also relies on geometric mapping for accurate plotting and course settings. Given maritime architecture, even in maritime architectures, ports and docks also relies on geometry used for efficient space and structural safety. So clearly, geometrical design help our maritime operation safe and efficient and reliable.
Today, I'm here to discuss my topic about apportionment and potential. In maritime sector, potential refers to the fair distribution of responsibilities, such as among crew members or resources across the department. Paired with voting theories, this includes majority or preferential voting. This helps make collective decision on operations, policies, and crew-related matters. This framework enhances transparency, accountability, and efficiency in maritime governance.
In the maritime profession, data management is key to...
In the engine room, math helps monitor fuel consumption. Ay, sige, garay!
In the maritime industry, math isn't just navigation, it drives financial decisions too. Okay, when we say geometric design, it's not just about shapes and patterns. It's also important when it comes to geometrical design. Huh?
Cut! Go.
So clearly, time says to date, yay! let's